What's the meaning of casting vote? Casting vote. Casting vote.
Casting vote. Casting vote. A casting vote refers to a vote cast by a person, usually the chairman or the presiding officer of a meeting, to break a tie in a voting situation. In other words, when a decision is not unanimous and there is a tie, the casting vote is used to determine the outcome. This can be an important tool in ensuring that decisions are made in a timely and efficient manner. However, it also places a great deal of responsibility on the person making the casting vote, as their choice can have a significant impact on the outcome of the vote.